Yeah, this is going to be another example of how effective your trading can be if you choose to trade the monthly momentum, because it's high when the month ends. That's a very high time frame. If you teach yourself to understand what the monthly candle is telling you, and then you follow the direction that the monthly candle is saying, or you can enter on the lower time frame, but having the bigger picture in mind, you can hold a trade for up to a month, I believe, or even longer than that, and make a lot of money. And if you take that one trade, you can be a one trade one trade per month trade and still make a lot of money. So I have a good example of the Euro USD here. And of course, I've just picked the month at random. Even if I go for this month, that is, it still works. No indicator used. I'm only using three indicators. That's my brain, my eyes, and my heart. Those are the three indicators that I believe that you need to be successful. You may add other indicators depending on how you approach the market, but I think if you don't have the three indicators that I've mentioned, even if you use RSI or any other indicator, it will not work. But me, I've chosen to use just those three indicators, and I think after doing a lot of back testing, I believe that I can see light at the end of the tunnel. So let me go to this. This is the month of January 2018. This is how the month ended. This is how the month of January ended. Month ended with a wick at the top. That is a very strong indication that you're going to have either a deep pullback or a reversal during the month of February 2018. The week itself is giving me a lot of information. Okay, so after seeing that week, I would also mark it because I'm already envisioning a sell. I would also mark the zone below, which is this one. Okay, now I want to go to the lower time frame to confirm or find out where the price will go next. So I'll start with daily. This is, I said, it's January 2018. So I'll go to weekly time frame, to my date of interest. So, okay, let me upload this. This is the last week of the month of January. It's a doji candle. It is showing indecision, but it is not telling me a lot. It's not telling me a lot, but at least it's a doji. And then again, I would mark this zone here as my possible take profit, because this is a monthly level. This is a monthly level. Obviously, the price will negotiate with this weekly level before coming to the monthly level, pulling back up. So to be safe, just exit from here. So already I know that in this month there was a potential to make how many, let me measure. Uh, there was a potential for 200 pips, which is quite enough. Take it once, that one trade in a month, you are done. So this is the last week of the month of January. It is not still not telling me giving me a lot of information. Let me go down to the daily time frame and see if I will see more light. Again, I go to the 1st of January. It's here. So okay, where is it? This is 30th of January. This is 31st of January. Now I like this, and I like it because it is clearly telling me that the market pushed up, and then now it has come down. You see, it came down, and then when the month ended, it is hanging here. Definitely, I mean, obviously, they will pull up into this area. To the pull up into this area to hit stops, but it would be unlikely for the market makers to break this candle by going above it, because already some people here are held at a loss. So it would be unlikely, at least right now, because it will be the first. They will, in most cases, they will retest it before going down. So up to this day, the 1st of January, when the month is ending, already I know that they will most definitely come to clear stops in this area and then go down to my take profit area. But still, I need more information. I need um, to see if a there's a supply zone, because this is already supply zone. Let me show you this. Okay, this is already this whole area. This is supply zone, but then it's too wide. We want to see if we can get other smaller time frame supply zones that we will use for entry. Okay. Mhm. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. Okay. Finding smaller time frame supply zones. Okay. This is okay. This is 31st. Let me go to 4 time frame and we'll see if we can get a smaller time frame supply zone. Okay. That's okay. Now look at this. So this is a 31st. Where is 31st? 30th of January is this one. This is 30th of January. This is 30th. This is 31st. This is when the month was ending. This was the last day of the month. Now we want to see. I mentioned a low time frame supply zone and I've just seen it. It's this one. This is the supply zone that they'll come to clear stops in this area, turning around at the supply zone. Okay, let me mark it. Okay, not only that, let me see if I go lower, if I can see anything interesting if I go to the lower time frame. Okay, we could have used this simply by putting our, let me put my tool here. This would be a 1 to 5 trade, very powerful, holding it for how many days? Uh, Up to 9th of February. It was quite powerful and it's okay, but it's not a bad idea to try to go lower. So let me go to 1 hour and I will not go. Okay, 1 hour. My my system is not allowing me to go that far. Let me do 2 hours. If it doesn't work, okay, it is also not working. What about 3 hours? Okay, yeah. Okay, so uh, honestly, I would say that I would pull this up here, because if you look at this candle, this is where the bulls were beaten when they pushed up and came back down. This is where the bulls were beaten. So this should be our trade now. Uh, Let me put my tool here. Okay, the pending order, putting it here, and then my take profit is here. Now we have increased this to ratio up to almost 1 to 8. So if you invest $50, you'll come by the time you hit your take profit, you have $400. So that's it. I hope you like this. It's a very powerful way, in my opinion, that you can trade and you can hold your trades, and you can use the same approach to take daily trades or weekly trades. See, you can use the same one, exactly the same approach. So that's it. Let me do one weekly here. Let me do one weekly trade just for the sake of learning. Okay. Let me use the same this since one hour. Okay, let me use the same place. Okay, so this is the weekly candle. It's a doji. It has assumed that our interest is to we're looking for a trading opportunity um, for the week of which starts on 5th of February. Okay, so what we're interested to see to study this candle, this one here, which is 5th of February. This is let me check my calendar. In a moment. 5th of February. This the last day of the previous week was 2nd of February. So we are okay now. Since we have seen a doji in this candle, let me go to 2nd of February. 2nd of February. It's here. I want to see how that week ended. Let me go to daily time frame. Daily time frame. And then 2nd of February. Okay. Now look at this. So this is a 30th. Okay, this is a 1st of February. This is 2nd of February. So this is a Friday. Now, okay, this is a clear indication that very likely they are coming down. Okay, it is a clear indication that they are pushing down. But this candle has a sellers trapped. Let me remove these lines. Now look at this candle here. It is a week below it, which means that sellers were trapped, and that makes this area the area around the closing price of the candle becomes it is a strong zone. It is a strong zone, which means that they come to and stops in this area before going down. So let me go to 4 time frame now. Okay, 4 time frame. Okay, this is 2nd of February is this, and then you have price hovering around this area. And then this is very interesting. This is very interesting because this is 5th of February during Asia. Okay, now we have another zone. So whenever if you when you go to lower time frames, deeper zones become evident, like this zone here. It has become evident when you went to the 4 time frame. See, so this is a 4 time frame zone. You see. So and not only that, this supply zone here is also coming to light after going to lower time frame. So simply, since you already know that it's likely that it will go down, you will put your pending order here. You will put your pending order here and then write to the glory. This is 11. One is 1 to 11. So if one had taken this supply zone here, this would be additional orders. This is very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. Well, let me go to today, and this day as we're speaking now is the last example. Okay, that will be a daily example of this approach. Okay, okay, okay. This is the candle. This is yesterday candle. It's a doji. It closed. There's this powerful zone here. I hope you understand that dodges indicate indecision in the market. So now I'm going to let, because this doji doesn't just telling me that the market is in undecided. I have to go to 4 hour time frame to see what this means, what this is all about. Yesterday, where's yesterday? This is 15th, 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 15th. Here, this is the last candle of yesterday, um, and for that matter, I would draw another zone here, right here, because this is also it's a zone. Looking left, it's a zone. So, okay, okay, and then when you see, you look back, this is a non trend. Price has been going up throughout. Yeah, it has been going up. Okay, and then above me there is this zone here. So generally, what I want to say is that up to, okay, let me start afresh and go back to the. I can even start it weekly so as to get the bigger picture. Okay. So this is the weekly time frame. If you see this candle, it is clearly showing you that the market is just closing. This candle is too small. It's an inside candle, meaning that the market is closing before busting. And then go to daily. Okay. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. You see. And then we have today. Now, Monday and Tuesday we are undecided. And then we draw this zone here. We draw this zone here. Okay. Okay. This zone. But still, the doji candle doesn't mean anything. The doji candle is just a doji candle. And we go to, I'll go to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame to try to decipher what has happened in the market. When I look at 4 hour time frame, I still see bullishness because of this. This is an uptrend, okay? It's an uptrend. So if I don't see this, because in most cases the market will continue to move in the in most cases the market makers will take the market towards the same direction for a while so as to cheat you into thinking that the market will continue to move in that direction forever for turning around quickly. Everything here is telling me bullish, bullish, bullish. Look at this. Okay, so unless I see this, something like this, see, if I don't see this, I would still maintain my bullish bias in this pair. You see, that's very important. And what do we have here? We don't see, we don't have what I have mentioned, okay? We don't have this. What we are having, what we have is that the market is still, it is not broken this zone. Okay, now let us see what happened yesterday. This is a bullish, and then twice it came back down just before the day ended, but still it could not break this area here. And what does that mean? It means that the bulls are still in control. Let me mark this. So the bulls are still in control. There's this small zone here. So we've just looked today to confirm this. I would go to so this is Asia, and Asia has underscored our bullish bias. Because it's a full bodied candle. Let me go to 15 minutes. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So when I woke up at 8 in the morning, straightforward you have this it's a demand zone. Let me mark this demand zone here. It's a demand zone. You put your pending order here, 1 to 2, you're done. And it is 1 to 2 because you are not quite sure. Okay, let me go to the weekly time frame, hoping to see. Uh, Let me go to weekly to see where. Okay, even the weekly doesn't show us where price is going. So to be safe, we just trade a 1 to 2 and then we're done. Yeah, something like 1 to 2. This is 1 to, because this is difficult because on the left side inside we don't know where to take profit. So this will be our pending order, but this pending order is based on a story that we have collected since when the week started. So that is how you trade. It's a powerful way of trading in my opinion, and I'm continuing to learn. Thank you.